Under the initiatives of East Agartala Police, 2 thieves were arrested on Tuesday night. Their names are Apritam Rai, aged 27, and Lempu Debarma, aged 24. A stolen scooty and a bike was recovered from them. A theft incident in the capital is increasing every now and then. Bikes from the houses and even parked nearby the roads are being stolen. As a result, common people are facing a lot of difficulties, which is why after many incidents, police took the initiative to arrest the thieves. Likewise, on Tuesday night, under the initiatives of East Agartala Police, 2 thieves were arrested. Their names are Apritam Rai, aged 27 from Kamalpur, and Lempu Debarma, aged 24 from Mandai Guramani Stadium area. A stolen scooty and a bike was recovered from them. East Agartala Police OC Rana Chatterjee said that this operation will continue till the other thieves are arrested.
দুইটা বাইক সহ আমরা তারা আদালতে প্রডিউস করতেছি এবং আরো কিছু চোর আছে যারা তারা নাম টাম বাই করে দুইটা বাইক চুর রয়েছিল। এই তো গত সপ্তাহে হারানো গেছে, তো আরো কিছু আছে যেগুলি আমরা তাদেরকে ইন্টারোগেশনের মাধ্যমে বের করব।
কবে নাগাদ ধরছেন?
কালকে রাত্রে ধরা হয়েছে।
কোন জায়গা থেকে রিকভারি হয়েছে?
লেকচুমনি আর মডেল তারপরে।
Likewise, police are now interrogating the 2 thieves to find out the other thieves. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.